AI Stickman videos are going viral across social media these days. First, check out this YouTube channel. It has gained over 28K subscribers by posting videos like these. Many of its videos are getting millions of views. After this, open the master prompt that I've added in the video description. Copy the master prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will generate several video ideas for you. Choose the one you like most, then send that idea back to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will then give you the image prompts and video prompts for your selected Stickman idea. After that, it's time to generate your images and videos. Now open Google Flow and click New Project. Select Image Mode. Then go back to ChatGPT and copy your first image prompt. Paste it into the prompt box in Google Flow and hit Generate. Repeat the same process for every image prompt. Next, switch to Video Mode and select Omni Flash as your video model. Set the duration to 10 seconds, then paste your video prompt into the prompt box. Hit Generate and let Google Flow turn your image into a smooth Stickman video. Repeat the same process for all the remaining scenes. Now let's check the final video result.
Here's why small purchases can quietly destroy your budget. $5 feels like nothing. You spend it once and forget about it. Then you do it again tomorrow, and again the next day.
The problem isn't one purchase, it's the pattern. $5 a day becomes $150. That's $1,800 a year.